Okay, whew, what's this? Okay, so good timing that for this ASL newsletter, just a couple days ago, we put out a new American Sign Language book, and it's called, let's zoom in here, well, it's American Sign Language 200 plus ASL word searches for beginners. And you see where it says large print? Large print. I have not seen this before. I have seen other American Sign Language word search books, and they're usually grids of like 10 by 10 or 11 by 11 or 12 by 12 or on up, and the hands are so small. So I was thinking, well, that's kind of a bit of a challenge for a beginner. It's not impossible, but wouldn't a beginner maybe want something that's large print, a little bit easier to digest and then move their way up? Aha! So, all right, so if you get this email, you can click the link and you can go straight to the book on Amazon. If you're just watching the video, just click the link down below and you can check it out. But either way, let's explore this book a little bit more. It's really unique. All right, so it says, get my newest ASL book. Here's the part which is very, very unique. 8 progressively difficult word search levels, and is perfect for beginners. Oh, it's fantastic. Let me show you. All right, so there it is, American Sign Language, 200 plus word searches, right? Let's zoom in, and this is the structure. So that square in the middle, that's the page, right? So the title of this puzzle is The Good Life. Down below you can see the 8 words that you'll be looking up, right? But do you notice that is, so the full thing right here at the top, it says word search puzzle format. That's the whole page of the book. But this is just to show you an example of one puzzle. So that one puzzle is a full page on its own page. But the interesting part is, see how big the hands are? See how big the hands are, especially for a beginner? Why would I throw a grid of 13 by 13 at you when you still don't quite know the signs? You don't know the hand shapes yet. That's my idea here. We're testing it out. Okay, so it talks about the puzzle grid, the puzzle level. This one's level 4. Level 4. So let's take a look at the different levels. All right. All right, and just first off, it includes the ASL alphabet chart. Really clear, really easy to understand what letter goes with what hand shape goes with what English letter. All right, there's an instruction page, but let's take a look at the levels. All right, so we have 8 levels, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So level 1 actually has the English letter below the hand. And I did that on purpose. I was thinking, well, if you don't really know the ASL alphabet, it's an extra challenge to keep going back and forth between the alphabet chart. Now, it's not impossible, but what if we started you right away with confidence that you know what's going on? So you find the word that you're looking for, and you see the hand shapes, and you also see the English letter. But if the English letter is right next to the ASL hand shape, maybe it will start making a connection in your brain immediately that those two go together. Aha! So, level 1 is a grid 5 by 5, just 5 by 5, so the hands are big, they're easy to digest, great for kids, great for beginners, great for people of any age, all right? That's level 1. Now level 2 is quite similar, except it's a 6 by 6 grid this time. All right, now level 3 is unique in that the little space below the hand that used to have the letter, you're kind of on your own now. But this time you can write it in, right? This is a big book. It's 8.5 by 11 inches, big book, right? One of those big books, and all the puzzles are on just one page, so there's no bleed through, and it's just easy to write on. So on this level 3, you can write in the letters if you choose to. If you already understand the hand shape, maybe you don't need to put in the letter. Gives you some options. All right, so level 4 is the first level. It's a 6 by 6 grid, first level where there are nothing below the hands, it's just the hand shapes all by themselves. Right, and you can use the included ASL alphabet chart if needed, or if by this time, because you've already done levels 1, 2, and 3, maybe you already know. It might be slow, that's okay, work your way through it, but you might already recognize the hand shape by itself. Then you go to level 5, and suddenly the grid becomes 7 by 7. And then level 8, we have level 6, I'm sorry, this is level 5. Level 5 is 7 by 7 grid. Level 6, we have an 8 by 8 grid. Level 7 is 9 by 9, and level 8 is a 10 by 11 grid. So the whole idea is to guide you, give you confidence as you're building your way through the puzzle book. Aha, starting, it might seem easy, or it might seem like, okay, you know, it's a little bit outside my comfort zone, but it's step by step by step. 8 progressive levels to build you up. Yes. Okay. Here's what the cover looks like again. American Sign Language, 200 plus ASL word searches for beginners. All right, all right. Use the link, check it out. If it's your thing, go get it, soak it up. It's a huge book. It has almost 500 pages. It's a little bit thick, right? Okay.